All
All right,
right.
time for another video.
I'm really excited about this one because you know what I've always wanted?
Be a robot?
To have a robotic friend.
Oh, like you can be a robot too.
We're playing My Robotic Friend. It's a really fun opportunity for students to understand that robots don't operate autonomously. They actually really need a set of algorithms and instructions to be able to complete tasks.
And they'll do exactly and only exactly
That's
what you
right.
tell them to do.
That's the trick. And if you mess up your algorithm that you tell the robot, it's not going to work either. So this is a fun way for students to be able to code each other unplugged using some cup stacking. And so inside your pizza box, we have for you your facilitator guide with the My Robotic Friend instructions. There's 6 movements that
Six
you can
codes.
make for your robotic friend. And of course, we have a little stack of cups. Now, we know some schools have cup stacking things in their phys ed equipment, and so you can use these ones.
Get creative.
You could use just dollar store red cups, anything like that, and be able to do this as well.
So what you have to do here is one partner takes the cups, puts them on the side, and the other partner writes down a series of steps they would like their robot to do. And the robot has to follow exactly the steps that their partner gives them.
And so on the poster and in the handout, you can see that there's things like pick up cup, put down cup, step forward, step backwards, and being able to turn and flip the cup. Now, we're doing this cup stacking. A really great extension activity of this is kids creating their own code for their own activity. The trick is, what students have to realize is the code can't change. We all have to be speaking the same language and have access to the same steps.
So if you use a different robotic friend, using the same algorithm, the same code, they have to be able to build the exact same stack.
That's right. And so we really like this. Again, it's following that list and procedures. It's being able to complete a task. It's a lot of cooperation and problem solving. And so this is a really fun activity that fits with both our literacy and numeracy curriculums.
You got it.
So I have a cup stack, and I'm going to be John's robotic friend. Now he's created, you've created your algorithm.
I've created my algorithm. So let's just see if Trish is able to follow it and build the same structure.
Okay, so for the purposes of our video, will you just read your algorithm to me so that I can follow it?
So step 1, it is pick up cup. Move cup 2 steps to the right, put cup down. Pick up new cup. Move cup 3 steps to the right, and put down cup. Pick up new cup, 2 steps to the right, and put cup down. So that's what you end up having.
Now, do you see where we went wrong in our algorithm?
Oh, because we want it in the middle.
We want it in the middle. So kids can start to be able to debug their algorithm. So that's where they can start to look down of what they want people to be able to do. So in this case, I could have moved my 2 steps, and he could have had me turn it. And though that's going to change when I stack my cup instead of falling on top of it.
You got it. You might have seen this kind of coding before where the steps are very logical, and that's usually in Scratch coding, or if we go from left to right, that's usually like in Lego Mindstorm coding.
Our robots, yeah.
So we've seen this before. It's just this is the unplugged version of it now.
Now, this is with cups. You can also have kids getting up out of their seats, have some physical literacy, being able to code around the room. And any of you schools that have those very lovely tiled floors, it's excellent for being able to count steps and go through directions.
Of course, if you have any questions, by all means, feel free to let us know. We'd be more than welcome to help you out if we can. All right.
Have fun with your robotic friends.
Bye, guys.